Happy greetings, my dear friends. I am K. Amuthan of class 11B. Today here I am going to do a lab activity which is called as gas welding torch, which is used for welding purposes. The needed requirements are a plastic bottle with a cap, some amount of water, a chemical called as calcium carbide CaC3, some amount, and a tube called IVZ which is available in medical shop. Now here I am going to add an amount of water in a plastic bottle. Then I am going to add calcium carbide chemical. Then immediately we need to close the cap. Now I am going to insert the tube. This is the reaction between calcium carbide and water, which will be producing more heat and CO2 gas, which is also called as an exothermic reaction. Now I am going to light up this needle. This wire which is used to welding. Now I am have adjustable. Thanking you.